So some people were asking me what else can increase the pressure inside the disc and can worsen symptoms of low back pain, neck pain that is caused by a disc problem. Remember that time when you sneezed too hard and you strained a muscle? It wasn't a muscle. When we sneeze, cough, laugh, or vomit, any type of straining will increase the intradiscal pressure, the pressure within the disc itself. So it'll cause the disc to enlarge for a brief moment. So if you already have a disc problem or a nerve impingement because of a disc problem, it can easily worsen your symptoms or sometimes even cause sharp shooting pain.